Hey, it's Chance, and today we're diving into liftgate operations. Let's get into it. Whether you're hauling frozen goods, produce, or dry freight, a liftgate makes loading and unloading easier if you use it right. Today we'll walk through safety, daily checks, and step-by-step operation so you can work efficiently and avoid costly mistakes. Let's dive in. Before operating a liftgate, it's important to follow these key safety guidelines. First, know your weight limits. Different liftgates are designed for different loads, typically ranging from 3,500 to 6,600 pounds. Always check the weight capacity before loading to avoid damage or failure. Next, stay clear of moving parts. Keep your fingers, feet, and hands away from the liftgate while it's in motion to prevent serious injuries. Be aware of your surroundings. If you're working on a busy dock or near traffic, take extra caution to avoid accidents. For reefers, limit how often you open the roll door. Keeping them closed as much as possible helps maintain the correct temperature and protects the cargo. Bottom line, if something feels risky, pause and reassess. Following these simple steps ensures a safer and smoother operation every time. Now that we've covered liftgate safety, let's talk about making sure your equipment is ready to go before you head out on the road. A quick pre-trip can save you hours of trouble and keep you from dealing with unexpected breakdowns. Before operating a liftgate, always perform a quick safety check to ensure it's fully operational. Now here's something important to remember. Stinger cords are essential for keeping liftgates charged throughout a route. These cords are synonymous with liftgate operation for both van and reefer trailers. However, some customers and drivers may not realize that a stinger cord is required, so be sure to double check that you have one before hitting the road. First, check the battery power. It should be fully charged and securely connected. Next, inspect the hydraulics for any leaks that could signal a problem. Make sure all controls and switches are working properly. If something isn't responding, don't operate the liftgate until it's fixed. Examine the platform and retention ramp for cracks, bends, or any visible damage that could compromise safety. Check the two platform safety chains for worn out or damaged links, as well as the connections at each end. Check that all decals and warning labels are clean and legible to ensure safe operation. And for reefers, have a loading plan in place and keep door openings to a minimum to maintain proper temperature. A few minutes of checking now can prevent serious issues later. Stay safe and keep your equipment in top shape. A smooth liftgate operation is key to safe and efficient loading. Follow these steps to get it moving safely and keep cargo secured. Before lowering the platform, ensure the vehicle is parked and the area is clear of obstacles. Press down on the column switch and watch as the platform lowers. Once the yellow arrow reaches between the two indicators, hold the up and out switches at the same time and watch as the liftgate unfolds. Now toggle up and down to offload and load as necessary. Next, deploy the retention ramp. Pull the lock to release it, then rotate the ramp down to the ground. For safe loading, always position the heaviest cargo near the truck body to maintain stability. Following these steps ensures a smooth and secure liftgate operation. Proper loading and unloading keep operations smooth and cargo secure. Follow these steps to do it safely and efficiently. When loading a dry van or reefer, always use a pallet jack or cart to roll cargo onto the platform safely. For reefers, time is critical. Open the doors only when you're ready to prevent temperature loss and from sucking hot air into the unit. Once loaded, hold up on the directional switch to smoothly lift the platform to trailer height. Move cargo inside efficiently and always secure the doors between loads. When unloading, lower the platform all the way to the ground. Unlock and lower the retention ramp before moving cargo. Always push, don't pull loads onto the platform to maintain control and stability. Before lowering the platform, make sure the load is fully secure to prevent shifting or tipping. Following these steps will ensure a safe and efficient loading and unloading process. Keep it smooth, keep it steady, and remember, no rushing. That's how things and people get hurt. Before you hit the road, make sure your liftgate is locked and loaded. Here's how. After loading or unloading, always follow the proper stowing steps to secure the liftgate. Start by raising the platform until it aligns with the column indicator, then hold the up and in switches at the same time and watch as the liftgate folds. Once the liftgate is completely folded, hold the up switch until the platform is completely raised and the safety knob is secured behind the safety lip and no longer visible. Next, fold the platform using the column switch and lock it in the upper stowed position. Before driving, do a final check to ensure everything is securely locked. A dangling platform is a serious safety hazard. Now let's talk about loading at a dock. Before backing into the dock or lowering the platform, check for dock locks or obstacles that could prevent lowering or cause damage to the liftgate. When backing down an inclined ramp, avoid lowering the liftgate too soon to prevent it from hitting the ground. It's best to back to the dock first. When at the dock, ensure the platform is below dock level and use a dock plate to bridge the gap between the trailer and the dock. Never rest the dock plate on the liftgate. Finally, once loaded, ensure the liftgate is properly raised and locked into its stored position before driving away from the dock. Following these steps will keep your liftgate secure and your operations running smoothly. And remember, if you have any questions, reach out to our team. We're always here to help.